Hello, everyone. This is Dawn, and today I would like to introduce the second playlist of my YouTube channel. This playlist will be part of my teaching portfolio. I'd like to do this introduction in English and Japanese. 今日は新しいプレイリストを始めます。このプレイリストは私の教師としてのポートフォリオです。In dynamic public speaking class recently, I introduced the This I Believe video. Dynamic public speaking no クラスで This I Believe という内容のビデオを教えることです。The This I Believe video is very popular among American high school students and college students. This I Believe のエッセイはアメリカの高校生と大学生の間で人気です。For this video or essay, students think very deeply about what they believe. このビデオでは自分の信じることを深く考えています。For example, students think about how they make important decisions and what guides them. 例えば、どうやって大切な決断をしているか。何があなたを導いているか。So in this video, I would like to first introduce two American college students This I Believe videos. このビデオでは2人アメリカ人の大学生の This I Believe video を紹介したいと思います。The first of two American college student videos that I'd like to introduce is by Amanda Stout. Amanda Stout talks about how she overcame disappointment in her video. Amanda Stout のビデオはどのように失望をいい経験へと変えたか。When she graduated from high school, she had to go to a community college while her classmates went to a four-year college. Amanda は高校を卒業した後で短期大学へ入学しなければならなかった。でも、Amanda の同級生は4年生の大学に入学しました。The second American college student video that I'd like to introduce is by Cassidy. 次のアメリカ人の大学生のビデオはとても真面目な話題についてです。So the next one is about a very serious topic. 子供の時、Cassidy Rodriguez のお母さんと姉さんを亡くなりました。So when she was a child, she lost her mother and her older sister, Jiko de, in a car accident. どちらも感動的だったので、私のクラスに紹介しました。Because both videos are so moving, I introduced them to my class. そして、授業中に声の使い方を練習しました。And then after that, we practiced how to use our voice. Then I introduced We Video for the classroom. この後で編集ソフトの We Video を説明しました。今日は私の2人の生徒の This I Believe We Video を紹介したいと思います。So today I have two students' videos that I want you to see. The first of two of my students' videos that I would like to show today is Kurumi-san's video. In her This I Believe video, she explains how hobbies enrich her life, and we will watch the first part of her video, which explains how international travel benefited her. Kurumi-san のビデオは海外旅行の長所についてです。So it's about international travel and its benefits. 例えば、海外旅行でくるみさんの世界広がりました。Her world became bigger. Please enjoy Kurumi's video.
I believe that hobby enriches our lives. Do you have a hobby that you are passionate about? there are many hobbies in the world. There is reading, exercise, cooking, and so on. My hobby is traveling. Since I was young, my parents have taken me to many places, not only in Japan, but also abroad. I have been to Taiwan, the US, Korea, France, England, Australia, Singapore, and many other countries. Traveling has broadened my world and taught me a new values. I was able to experience many cultures and nature. Different cultures, different cityscapes, everything was new to me. It was a new experience for me and an important learning experience for me to know the value of different people. By learning different values, I can learn new ways of thinking that I don't have. I think it has given me the skill to accept and understand others. What do I like about traveling? Because I can eat delicious food, experience new history and cultures, and learn about the world I have never known existed. Since I become a college student, I have been able to share my hobby with others. I work for myself and use the money to travel with friends. That is different kind of fun and learning experience than traveling with my family. I share hobby with friends. It is also a great chance to learn about other people's ideas.
Thank you, Kurumi. Good job. 次のほのかさんのビデオは、どのように情熱を見つけたかについてです。ほのかさんの経験は、Amanda no 経験と似てるです。So the next video is Honoka's, and she talks about how she found her passion. And her video is similar to Amanda's. Please enjoy.
This I believe. I believe every life can be a film. Every day, every moment are scene of your movie. In your movie, of course, you are a lead actor. This is the first part of my story. I was born 20 years ago in the spring. My father named me Honoka. I'm not good at sports, but I liked dancing. I'm not so good at studying, but I loved singing. When I was 3 years old, I started to go to ballet lesson. It was my happiest time for me. I had practiced and practiced every day, and I thought I can be a beautiful ballet dancer. Until I was junior high school student. One day, I noticed it is impossible for me to be a professional ballet dancer. lost my dream. Where is my dream? What should I do next? Every day, I asked myself. It was little difficult for me to live without dream, because I had continued to dream a dream. But music was always by my side. Lyric makes me cry. Rhythm make my heart beat. Singing makes me honest. Finally, I found my new dream. I wanna be singing, dancing, and acting on the stage. I want to go back to the theater. This was my true desire. Last year, my second dream came true. I stood on the stage as a musical actress. It was the most dramatic time of my life. I don't know my future. I don't know my next dream will come true. But suddenly, even when I become a grammar, music will always be with me. There are painful moments in our life, but all moments have meaning, and your joys and sadness are also spice of your film.
このビデオの最後に一人の生徒の質問に答えたいと思います。So now at the end of the video, I'd like to answer a student's question. ある時、生徒の一人が私の beliefs は何かと聞いてきました。So a student asked me, Don, what's your beliefs after class one day? 今日はそれに答えたいと思います。So now I'd like to answer. 私の beliefs は3つです。There, I have three that I'd like to explain. 一つ目は、生徒たちからいろいろなことを学ぶことです。So I think you can learn various things from students and others. 二人目は経験を集めることが大切だと思います。I think it's important to gather or collect experiences more than things. 三つ目は新しいことを習いたいと思っています。I like to learn new things, and I think that that's really important. So, thank you so much for watching my video. It's long because it's in two languages, but you can jump around. Bye.